Fascia gun power cord 16.8 V1A24 V1A25.2 V0.6A1A18 V1A12.6 V1A1500 mAh charger. Product parameters. Input voltage, AC 100-240 V 50-60 Hz, worldwide. Input AC interface, EU plug US plug. Output voltage accuracy plus or minus 0.5%, no load. Power supply polarity, inside positive outside negative, inside, plus, outside. DC cable length, 1 meter, can be customized. DC interface, 5.5 2.5 and 5.5 2.1 mm. Color, black. Condition, brand new authentic. Wide input range and high voltage accuracy. Applicable, Fascia gun massager vacuum cleaner monitoring security audio speak.